recording that, Mom.
I'm trying now.
Fallen. My poor cat. Leave my baby alone, Fred. She just hissed at you. Go away.
Wait, leave her there. Like, wait.
She was hissing at him.
Oh my gosh, you just ruined it.
She took care of herself just fine.
Olive. Okay, Mom.
Oh. And now he's playing with his tail.
Got it.
Until he's just like, okay, you're the crazy one.
On the head like it's an easy chair.
Your cat's crazy, Mom.
I love my cat. Now you can't see anything but his tail.
He's staring at the ceiling for no reason.
Oh, he does that all the time.
She wants to go back.
Did she?
I said she.
You said he first.
Forget.
So where'd she go?
Yeah, she's hiding behind the stick. I go find her.
So what'd you do for entertainment Saturday night? We watched the cats.
No, we videotaped the cats, Mom. That's even sadder.
Oh, he's like, oh, there's Tilly. I can attack her next. I don't know though. She does give him the evil.
Ooh, those ears are back. She's not messing around right now.
She's just innocently trying to sleep, and your demon cat is attacking her.
Fred's